everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the retriever Canelé in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new collaborations with Maltis, and in these collaborations you can cook any special collaborations food, and one of them is retriever Canelé like this. You can see this recipe, and to cook this food, first you need this recipe. You can get this recipe from the exchange store at the puppy gacha machine event. And after that, after you get this recipe, just complete all the ingredients. You need egg and then milk that you can get it from the NPC Massimo, and then you need wheat that you can get it from the gardening hobby, and then you need coffee beans that you can buy it from the NPC Massimo. And after all the ingredients are complete, just tap on start cooking like this, and then just wait for a moment. And just like that, your retriever Canelé is ready. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!